To connect your Pixel 10a with a car, first of all, we'll need to open settings on our device. Next step is to select the connected devices, and from here we can go to connection preferences, and on the bottom there's Android Auto. This is an app that will allow us to connect this phone with the car. And before we attempt that, you also need to have internet connection set up for your phone. When it's done, click on Android Auto and it should transfer you to the Google Play Store, where you can update Android Auto app. If it didn't and just open Android Auto, that's great. You can skip this process. In this case, I'm gonna download it because some people may have problem with it. So now when the app is updated, go back and click on Android Auto again. From here, we need to click on this plus button. There's two ways where you can connect your car with this phone. First way is through the cable. So if you have a cable that allows you to connect your phone and your car, then you can try to plug it in, and if it works, you should see an option to proceed and continue the setup. The other way to do it is to connect it using wireless Android Auto. It's available on some 2021 or newer vehicles. So if you have older the vehicle, it may not work, but you can always try. Click on connect using wireless auto, enable your Bluetooth, and here you will need to enter pairing mode on your car. So watch a video online somewhere on YouTube, or just Google it, how to enter pairing mode, and name your car. When you're in the pairing mode on your car, you can click on connect using Bluetooth, and here you should see a list of pair vehicles, and you can connect your car from this list. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.